Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. I saw this recipe online and I just couldn't resist. It's Oreo Rice Krispie Treats. Who doesn't like Rice Krispie Treats? I don't know one single person who doesn't like Rice Krispie Treats. So just imagine if you add some Oreos in, what that will do to the recipe. I don't know what it's going to taste like, but we're going to find out together. Of course, I was inspired by this song. Made it one time, it happened before. There are many recipes to explore. How could I resist? I really can't ignore Oreo Rice Krispies. We're making it this way. We'll all say hooray, Oreo Rice Krispies. Oh yeah, I'm sure we'll say hooray. I mean, come on, it's a variation of Rice Krispies. First things first, get your 8x8 pan or similar size pan ready to go. I have lined mine with parchment paper. I'm also going to spray it with some nonstick spray on top of the parchment paper so it peels off so easily. Second thing you want to do is get your Oreos ready to go. This recipe only calls for 9 to 10 Oreos. That's it. We're going to crush them. Add your Oreos to a baggie. If you want, you can crush it with your hands. You can crush it with a rolling pin. Get a pot or pan ready to go to melt butter. Medium heat. Add your butter. Put on low heat and add all your marshmallows. Stir until fully melted. Take off heat when fully melted. Add your Oreos first. Stir to combine. Now for the big workout, add in your Rice Krispies. Once fully combined, pour it into your pan. Flatten best you can. Let's sit in the refrigerator for about an hour. All right, this is out of the fridge, nice and cool. Let's go ahead and take that parchment paper off. Look at that, so easy. Look at this great looking Oreo Rice Krispie Treat. Can see the Oreo pieces in there, and it smells like Oreos, but like a Rice Krispie Treat. Right. So it's all in the taste. The one great thing that I will say about Rice Krispie Treats is that you can freeze them. Yes, indeed you can. You can freeze them individually and then let them thaw out in your lunch all day and then have a special treat. Or you could just freeze them and serve them whenever you like. Take one out as a special treat for yourself or someone else. So let's take a bite. These are really interesting. I taste the Oreos, but yet I taste a regular Rice Krispie Treat. So it's sort of like that snap, crackle, and pop of the Rice Krispies mixed with the marshmallows. But then you get that Oreo flavor, sort of overarching-ish-ness, something like that. These are really good. It's something unexpected to add into your Rice Krispie Treats. What will you add into yours? Has this inspired you to add your favorite cookie into them? There could be like a Chips Ahoy Rice Krispies treat. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy. If I can make these Oreo Rice Krispie Treats for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, make the recipe for your family and friends. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.